Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to Philosophy Network channel on YouTube. I'm your host, Mr. Lalit Rao. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about metaphysics. Metaphysics is the most abstract branch of philosophy. Its origin can be found in the Greek word Meta Ta Physika, which means what comes after physics. It can also means what lies beyond nature. This inquiry transcends the limits of ordinary knowledge and experience. In simpler terms, metaphysics deals with questions which are concerned with what lies after or beyond the physical world of sensory experience. Some of the early metaphysicians were pluralists who were of the view that more than one feature of the universe accounted for the scientific knowledge of it. There were also monists who insisted that there was one and only one basic feature. Metaphysics deals with the most fundamental concepts, namely causality, existence, reality, substance, etc. Just like philosophy, metaphysical inquiry too has a continuous history. German rationalist enlightenment philosopher Christian Wolff considered metaphysics as having four major distinct parts. Part number one, ontology, the general doctrine of being or existence. Part number two, rational theology, the doctrine of God's existence. Part number three, rational cosmology, the doctrine of the world. Part number four, rational psychology, the doctrine of the attributes and the existence of the soul. Metaphysics also approaches two other important branches of philosophy. They are aesthetics and ethics. It inquires whether values are grounded in the nature of things or contribute to the cosmic process, and what kind of reality is possessed by the works of art and the things which make them up. For example, the figures of a painting. German philosopher and founder of critical philosophy, Immanuel Kant viewed metaphysics in a different sense. According to him, in one sense, he took metaphysics of morals and metaphysics of nature to consist of something which can be known a priori in these areas. He also used metaphysics to signify the traditional attempt to establish knowledge about a realm lying beyond our natural world. For Kant, it was a transcendent realm. This is the reason why he considered metaphysics to be an impossible task. With the rise of modern science, many philosophers, especially empiricists and positivists, have rejected metaphysics by dubbing it useless speculation. They have rejected the assumption that there is a reality beyond the empirical and the natural world and that something can be known about it. Lastly, metaphysics is broader in scope than science such as physics and even cosmology, as one of its traditional concerns is the existence of non-physical entities such as God. Metaphysics is more fundamental than science as it addresses questions which science doesn't bother to address. For example, are there physical objects at all, and does every event have a cause? Ladies and gentlemen, that was a brief discussion on metaphysics. I thank you for watching this video. Thank you.